Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching OBS and setting immediate essentials. First, choose your recording path and MKV format so you avoid file corruption. Next, create a scene and add a game capture source. If your game is windowed, use display capture. Once done, open Settings Output in Advanced Mode and select an encoder. Hardware NVENC reduces CPU load. Software X264 gives higher quality per bitrate. Make sure your bitrate matches resolution and frame rate. 6000 is a solid baseline for 1080p 60. Now refine your inputs so recordings sound and perform well. You should route desktop audio and mic to separate tracks so you can mix later. Open Advanced Audio Properties to assign tracks. Add filters to your mic, noise suppression, gain, and a compressor to reduce background noise and level spikes. Next, set your encoder and preset. Choose NVENC to offload work to the GPU or X264 if you prefer CPU quality. Then tweak bitrate and preset until CPU usage stays stable, while image quality is acceptable. Finish by testing and confirming everything records correctly. You should run a short test recording and play it back to check audio sync, overlays, and frame quality. Make adjustments if audio is clipped or frames drop. Use hotkeys for start/stop recording to avoid menu fumbling, and remux MKV to MP4 and file remux recordings when ready to upload. If problems persist, try lowering bitrate, switching encoder preset, or enabling Windows Game Mode. That troubleshooting step usually resolves frame drops or stuttering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.